Hello my friends and welcome back to Tamada's table. Today on our menu is delicious potato salad, which in ex-Soviet countries is known as potato salad Olivie. But outside of the ex-Soviet countries it's known as Russian salad. Please like, comment and subscribe because this helps to promote the channel on YouTube. Here is the story. In the 19th century Russia, the French, some people say he was Belgian chef Lucien Olivier, he invented this salad. And the early versions, they included luxurious foods like crawfish and grouse. Of course, these versions didn't come to our days because during the Soviet times, all these meat ingredients were substituted by bologna or boiled beef. The Georgian version of potato salad Olivie is without any meat ingredients. And that's the version I want to show you today. It has more ingredients than US or German potato salad, but if you prepare your vegetables in advance, I cooked potatoes and carrots in cold water with a little bit of salt so that they stay together, they don't become mushy, and you can really chop and cube them the way you like. I did it yesterday. I also hard-boiled the eggs. So today all I have to do is to chop my vegetables and to mix them together and then add the dressing. So the ingredients we will be using today are boiled potatoes, boiled carrots, dill, green peas, hard-boiled eggs, pickles, onion and mayonnaise, salt and black pepper. The typical dressing for this salad is mayonnaise, but some cooks they add a little bit of sour cream too, and some people they also like to make their own mayonnaise. And I have the recipe in my another video, the chicken salad. First let's cube the potatoes. Now let's put potatoes in the bowl and continue with carrots. Slice the carrots. See, my carrots are so cute now. They're small pieces and they go to the bowl. So eggs cut in half. Don't boil the eggs too hard. So eggs are ready and they go to the bowl. Now we will start adding green colors. So peas go to the bowl. Okay, now pickles and onion. Try to chop onion as thin as possible, small pieces. You can increase or decrease ingredients based on your individual taste. This pickle is kind of like bigger than others, so you can cut them in 4. And smaller pickles you can cut in. And again, add pickles and dill and onions based on your individual taste. Now we're adding more colors to the salad. Finally chopped dill. Some cooks they add some parsley to salad Olivie, but honestly I don't like the taste of parsley in the salad. And you don't want to add dill too much because it has strong flavor. Now all we have to do is to add dressing and then chill for like half an hour and enjoy. So the salad is ready, and it was so difficult because I cooked my vegetables yesterday and I cooked my eggs yesterday and I kept all this in refrigerator. So now I'm adding the mayonnaise. Again, with mayonnaise you can do as with the rest of the ingredients, you can add to your taste. Some people like more, like it really becomes, you know, like soupy. But some people don't like so much mayonnaise, so this is very individual. You can always add a little bit of sour cream to your taste. If it looks like too much, then you can have the recipe. But in my family, this amount of salad will be gone in 2 days max. So this is comfy food. We all love comfy food. So let's add some salt and black pepper. Salt and black pepper is very individual, so you can add as much as you like. And salt. Now let's mix and taste. So our potato salad Olivier is ready. Let's plate it. Yeah, you can chop this egg into the salad, but for presentation purposes it looks good. You can decorate with parsley. And that's our potato salad Olivier, which was invented in the 19th century. The recipe was modified based on the locally available ingredients later. That's Georgian version and it's delicious. So my friends, today we made the potato salad Olivier or Russian salad. As I told you, that's how it's known outside of the ex-Soviet countries. And this is the salad which you can make around the year. If you like the potato salad Olivier, and I'm sure you will like it, please share with your family and friends. Come back for our my and Tamada's weekly postings. Bon appetit! Gabriel Mirtvid, and bye for now. Nachlam this in Georgian language. Please like, comment and subscribe. Tamada and I will appreciate this very much because it helps us to promote the channel on YouTube.